reducing the chances of lateral neonatal anemia and iron deficiency. The baby head should be kept dependent to allow mucus in the respiratory tract to drain, and oropharyngeal suction should only be applied if really necessary. After clamping and cutting the cord, the baby should have an APGAR score. ये मैं आपको pediatrics में बता ही चुका हूँ, which is then repeated at 5 minutes. Immediate skin-to-skin contact between mother and baby will help bonding and promote the further release of oxytocin, which will encourage uterine contractions. The baby should be dried and covered with a warm blanket or towel, maintaining this contact. Initiation of breastfeeding should be encouraged within the first hour of life, and routine newborn measurements of head circumference, birth weight, temperature are usually performed soon after his hour has lapsed. Before being taken from the delivery room, the first dose of vitamin K should be given if parental cleanser has been given, and the infant should have a general examination for abnormalities, a risk level attached for identification. Management of third stage. The third stage is the interval between delivery of the baby and the complete expulsion of the placenta and membrane. This normally takes between 5 to 10 minutes and considered prolonged after 30 minutes unless a physiological approach is preferred. Separation of the placenta occurs because of the reduction of volume of the uterus due to uterine contractions and the retraction, shortening of the lattice like arrangement of the myometrial muscle fiber. मैंने बताया था मसल्स जो होते हैं इसकी शॉर्ट होती चली जाती हैं with each contraction. A cleavage plane develops within the deciduum basalis and the separated placenta lies free in the lower segment of the uterine cavity. Management of third stage can be described active or physiological. Signs of placental separation क्या होते हैं? Apparent lengthening of the cord, a small gush of blood from the placental bed, rising of the uterine fundus to above the umbilicus, and uterine contraction resulting in firm globular feel on palpation. Active management of third stage, intramuscular injection of 10 oxytocin given as the anterior shoulder of the baby is delivered or immediately after delivery of the baby. Early clamping and cutting of the cord and controlled cord retraction. ये है साइंस ऑफ सेपरेशन एंड डिसेंट ऑफ द प्लासेंटा आफ्टर सेपरेशन यूट्राइन सेगमेंट राइजेज अप एंड फील्स मोर राउंडेड. इस तरीके से हो जाता है एकदम, ये नीचे आ गया. और यह डिलीवरिंग द प्लासेंटा बाय कंट्रोल्ड कॉर्ड ट्रैक्शन इस तरीके से यहाँ पे भी रख रखा है और यहाँ पे भी इस तरीके से करते हैं. एक्टिव, अब ये जो हम बात कर रहे थे थर्ड स्टेज की, एक्टिव मैनेजमेंट और फिजियोलॉजिकल, अब इसकी बात करते हैं. Active management of third stage should be recommended to all women because high quality evidence shows that it reduces the incidence of postpartum hemorrhage from 15 to 5%. तो इतना फर्क डाल देता है. When the signs of placental separation are recognized, controlled cord traction is used to expedite delivery of the placenta. When a contraction is felt, the left hand should be moved suprapubically and the fundus elevated with the palm facing towards the mother. इस तरीके से. At the same time, the right hand should grasp the cord